Alright guys, today I'm pretty much excited and we are gonna be going through the spinning blur effects, that is spinning blur camera effect, which is inspired by the Weeknd video till I played out. And yeah, let's get into it. Alright, so once inside of Premiere, we're going to be using these clips from the Vince Hero challenge we did with Sam Newton and other creators. So firstly, you have to import your clip to your timeline. So in order to do this effects, you need a clean clip, and the effects very good with dark clip, that is night clips but. So you're going to search for offset, and that's the first effect we are going to apply to our clip. And actually, what offset does is it allows you to change the y and x axis of your video. So let's head on to the effect control and let's move this right here. So once you apply the offset effects, you can change your y and x axis. This is what it should be looking when you change the current values. So but we are going to be changing the x axis. You can go right or left, and I think we are going right on this one. Let's go right. So now we're going to be adding some keyframes in order to be changing the x value for some amount of time. So we are going to start from the beginning of the clip and add a keyframe, and in the end around here, I think this is the last part, and we are going to do it a bunch of times. It depends on how many times you want to do it. So it's going to be faster on shorter clips and it's going to take longer clips. I think we are okay right now. Let's set it to correct frame and let's check out our video. Okay, this is a little bit fast, but I think it's okay. Or I think we are going to just take it back a little bit back. So I think we are going to do 15,000. And now to create this seamless transition, to remove these edges, these hard lines, we are going to add the directional blur effect. And directional blur effects, it allows you to add a blur effect, that is the motion blur effect, in any direction. But we are going to set our own to 90 degrees, and let's add up the blur length. Okay, I think we can get away with around 45%. I think now we are looking at this. So after that, you can add it to increase the blur from a low value to a high value, and I think it will be fine to show our effect going slow and then to fast motion. And let's do that. And now let's add up to, let's say, 75. And I think that's looking great. Right, so what we are going to be doing next is adding lens distortion. And actually, lens distortion is going to give us the wide curve screen look, which Let me show you guys this stuff. It should be in the distort effects folder, and we're going to be importing it right here, and it's going to give us the fisheye effect, something like the fisheye effect, something like this TV effect. So this will actually look like we are spinning around, like 40 will be okay for us. Boom, bro, this is it, and that's it. You are done. But you add extra taste to it. What I usually do is I duplicate the clip and add up this effect, the mist effect, which I have a preset for. And when I add it, it's going to be a little bit bright. Let's go ahead and what we can do next is duplicate the clip again and add up Gaussian blur. And with the Gaussian blur, we are going to change the clip blending mode to something like screen. And now let's check our skins. Alright guys, now that it's done, this is and it's going very fast, but we can slow this down and add some final touches. And this is pretty much how I like it to be. This is my taste actually, so you can do a lot of things with it. So guys, we are on the way to 500 subscribers, so don't forget to subscribe, share to your friends, and we are going to be doing some Lightroom videos, color grading, and some films videos and all that stuff. So subscribe if that sounds interesting to you, and let me know if you want as preset. Then I will link it down below, so you can go ahead and apply it to your videos. And that's it guys, have a good one. Till next time guys, peace.